Today at Newspaper Club, we're going to show you how to make mini notebooks. You can find the to-do in our upcoming article in February. Step 1. Fold your paper in half, hamburger style. Step 2. Fold it again, hamburger style. Step 3. Unfold it all the way. Step 4, fold your paper hot dog style, keeping the crease of the hamburger style fold. Step 5, fold again hot dog style. Step 6, unfold it once. Step 7, on the closed side, cut along the folded lines to the center. Step 8, cut the two middle sections to make flaps. Step 9, unfold all the way. Step 10, fold flaps back. Step 11, turn paper over to where you don't see the flaps. Step 12, fold top down. Step 13, fold bottom up. Step 14, fold top down. Step 15, push larger sides together. Step 16, fold flaps back. Step 17, fold in half. And you have just made a mini notebook by Cambria.